Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling materials and locking your shooting parameters. This is crucial because tiny changes ruin the illusion. Secure the camera on a tripod, set manual focus and exposure, and position your paper subject in the center of the frame. Once done, take 1-3 test frames to confirm lighting and composition. Make small adjustments if shadows shift. Now begin the first actionable step. Move the paper by a consistent amount, then capture the next frame, repeating with steady rhythm so motion will read smoothly. You now enter the core process, precise, repeated micro-movements. Move each paper element by the same small distance, 1 to 3 millimeters, because consistent increments create fluid motion. Make sure to use onion skin or an overlay feature so you can compare the current frame to the prior one. That visual guide prevents jitter. Also, continuously monitor lighting and secure backgrounds or props with tape. Inconsistent lighting or shifting paper will cause flicker and misalignment, so correct those immediately before continuing with more frames. You finish by compiling and fine-tuning the animation so the movement reads as intended. Import your frames into an editor, set the timeline to your chosen FPS, and play back to identify timing issues. Once done, tweak pacing by duplicating frames where motion should slow or trimming where it should accelerate, then apply color correction and add sound. Make sure to export a lossless master before compressing for delivery. If you notice flicker or jumps, recheck alignment and consistent lighting. Reshoot only the problem sequence if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.